Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LRC token. The price line of LRC is still moving in a down channel, and in today's video we will analyze, is there any chance for the price reversal and can it break out the resistance of this channel, or it will be continuously moving down inside this channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily live time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line started the formation of this down channel here from 10th of November, and we had a bounce here on 18th of November. We have two touch points on 18 and on 19. Then we have two touch points here as well, and then we have several rejection by the resistance as well. And we can also see that the price line is again moving down. A very important thing in this movement of the price line that we can notice is that the price line is testing the resistance more than the support. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, almost 13 touch points at the resistance. And if we take a look at the support, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And if it will be moved more down to test the support, then it will be fifth touch. And for example, if it will be reversed to the upside from here, then it can be changed from this down channel to a falling wedge pattern. However, both patterns are considered as a bullish reversal among the traders community. And here we also have a daily 200 simple moving average moving towards the upside to provide the support to the price line. On the daily time frame, 200 daily moving average is very strong support. And here we have two very strong resistance levels in case of breakout. First, the price line can hit here, that is at $2.85, and then it can hit here. That can be also, if we are trading this channel after the breakout, can be our final target as well, approximately at $3.74. Now, if we take a look at the oscillator, then we can see that RSI has touched the oversold zone on this daily time frame. The value of RSI is right now at 29.58, and on 30 value it is oversold, and we can see that it is more than 30 at 29. It is giving us an indication that it is getting extremely oversold on the daily time frame. And some people, I watched the different charts of the people, they are thinking about this move as a bull flag. But in my point of view, it is not bull flag because of the retracement. If we watch this move, for example, from October to here, this high of November, 10th of November, and if I place this Fibonacci tool here, then we can see that it has retraced more than 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. So if it is retraced more than this 0.382 Fibonacci level, then it is not a bull flag anymore. Even if we also include the rally of September, then after placing this Fibonacci tool, we can see that it has retraced more than 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. It is more than 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So it is not a bull flag. However, after the breakout, we can expect is still a very powerful reversal move. And you can see that previously we had a very nice down channel here. This is, by the way, on the weekly time frame we are watching. And after the breakout, we had very big rally. And after the breakout, we can expect another rally towards the upside again, because it is doing it again and again. It formed the channel here, found a resistance here, and found the previous resistance here. Before that, it found a resistance here. And for the long term, it moved inside this resistance. This was another resistance. So it is forming different channels. And after breaking out, it is starting a very nice rally towards the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.